How to remove professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. If you have set your Instagram account to the professional account, you're gonna see this kind of interface in your profile page, professional dashboard. Now how can you remove this? For that, what you have to do is click on the three bars given at the top right corner. Now go to the option settings and privacy. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Scroll down, go to this option of business tools and controls, open it. Now here you're gonna see this option of switch account type, open it. Now you are able to switch to personal account or creator account. I'm gonna select personal account. Click on switch to personal account. And with that, you will be good to go. Now you can head towards your profile page. You can refresh the page and you have just removed professional account on your Instagram. So this is how you can easily remove professional account on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.